For 40 years, one company defined fast fashion. Zara. 2,000 stores, $20 billion in revenue. The benchmark for speed. Design to delivery, 3 weeks, an industry-leading feature. Then in 2015, an unknown Chinese startup did something that seemed impossible. They cut that time to 7 days. No stores, no inventory, just algorithms and architecture. That company is what we all know as Shein. 8 years later, Shein is valued at $66 billion, more than Zara, more than H&M. The world's largest fashion retailer by volume. They didn't just compete with fast fashion, they redefined what fast even means. How? See, Zara optimized their supply chain, better forecasting, faster production, regional warehouses. Incremental improvements to an existing model. Shein redesigned the entire system itself. They didn't just make the supply chain faster, they built an intelligent demand sensing architecture that designs, produces, and delivers based on real-time customer behavior. Zara predicts trends and manufactures inventory. Shein reads demand signals and manufactures on demand. One optimizes speed, the other architects responsiveness. That's the difference between fast and exponential. This is what exponential by design decodes. How companies like Shein architect systems that compound while competitors optimize processes. Inside, the X framework shows you how, using convergence, Shein collapsed design, manufacturing, logistics, and customer data into one intelligent platform. And how divergence, that unified system, creates thousands of micro collections, personalized to demand patterns. But here's the key insight that they understood. It's called the moment economics. Value isn't captured at the level of transaction. It's captured at the moment of consideration, when a customer is browsing, deciding, and comparing. Shein's architecture is designed to influence that exact moment. 7-day delivery isn't just speed, it's an architectural advantage. Here's what this means for you. Every industry has a Zara, a company optimizing an existing model. And every industry is about to have a Shein, a company redesigning the architecture itself. The question is, which one are you building? Inside the book, there are 7 case studies breaking down how exponential companies architected different outcomes. 6 frameworks, including moment economics and ecosystem velocity, that you can apply immediately. And 1 strategic audit asking, are you optimizing your supply chain or redesigning your system? Speed isn't enough anymore. You need intelligent architecture. Exponential by Design is now available on Amazon. Design the system, don't just optimize the process.